front of me is Nothing Phone 4a, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it just yet. What you need to do is exit Play Store and go into Settings. Then tap on Apps. Scroll to choose Default Apps here. And click on Home App. Now apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. And hit Allow All in this pop-up. Then wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make any changes to it, go into Launcher app and check out all of those options here. If you wanna go back to your default launcher, go back to Default Home App section and click on Nothing Launcher. You can change it in this section whenever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!